Diana, the design trader. One of the things I get asked more than anything is, how do I paint my kitchen cabinets or bathroom vanity or a piece of furniture? It's a little bit easier than you might think, and I've done it a lot. This is a coffee table that I love the size and shape. It fit my space well, but it was an awful color. So let me tell you the steps I took to make this a new piece of furniture. First thing you have to do is clean your whatever you're painting. I used this crud cutter. You can get it anywhere, and you spray it on and wipe it off, and then make sure any other residue is off with water. This will remove any waxes, grease, or anything that's on the piece of furniture. Then after that's dry, I lightly sanded it and primed it. I used the Benjamin Moore primer, but you could really use any primer, it doesn't matter. Let the primer dry. I gave it 24 hours. So then the next day, I lightly sanded. Then I used Benjamin Moore's product called Advanced. This is great. You can get it tinted in any color that you want. I used the Simply White because I wanted this coffee table to be white, but not too white. So it's a nice creamy, soft white. I put the one coat of this on, let it dry for 24 hours, lightly sanded, put a second coat on, and this is what I have. I didn't have to do polyurethane on the top. I didn't even have to strip any old paint off or any stain. And I have a new piece of furniture that I love. Why don't you give a painting project a try?